Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a location on Google Maps. Begin by opening the web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Google Maps and press enter. Click on the first result or the link that takes you directly to Google Maps. Once Google Maps is open, locate found at the bottom left of the screen. Click on it and select the satellite option. This can give you a more detailed view of the area you are working with. You can either manually browse the map to find your location or use the search bar at the top of the page. Type the address or name of the place you are looking for and press enter. Once you have found the general area, select Add a Missing Place to Google Maps. Enter the name of the place you want to add. Select a category that best describes the place. You can also search for more specific categories if needed. Enter the complete address of the place. Make sure it is accurate. You have the option to fine-tune the exact location on the map. Drag the pin to the correct spot if it isn't already in the right place. Once all the details are entered correctly, click on the Submit button. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your location has been added. It may take some time for Google to review and approve the addition. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.